Road.
Hey, how much you pushing?
I felt like 600 to the wheel. Roughly, yeah.
Bro, hey, it's clean as fuck.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you.
Hey, soon I'll be up there too.
Yeah, hey man, as long keep pushing, keep pushing. You'll be there.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Appreciate that, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna record you.
Okay. Coming through. Freaking airbender. You're stupid. Alright, man. Let's go ahead and continue with where we left off at last night. Let's go ahead and do the oil change. We got the oil over here. Not looking forward to this because you guys know this car has an under panel. And cars that have under panels are kind of annoying with oil changes because you gotta take them off. And I never look forward to it. But I'm trying to drive this car, so we gotta do this.
Bruh. You know you could have moved this build over a little bit to that side, right?
I'm not trying to start it. Look, this is what I get. Because this jack is so amazing.
Oh, it's the jack's fault, right? Yeah, right.
It's not even off the ground yet.
Right, I got you.
I know that I've been broken.
It's full of Disney, what is it?
Hey man, no, that's gospel, bro. I need to take you to church actually. One of the reasons why I hate doing oil changes.
Lord, the Lord, the Lord.
Okay, it's because I was freaking kneeling on the ground. Joy comes in the morning.
No way.
All your troubles wipe away. I know that I've been broken. Dang, bro. Only a selective amount of people will know exactly what song I'm singing. That's crazy. That means if you don't know the song that I'm singing, it kind of means you're a bad person. That's crazy. You know?
That's actually what a bad person would say.
Like a stereotypical.
Yeah.
Dang, it's funny because these clips don't want to come off now. But as soon as I start driving, they.
Yo.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come on, bro. They don't want to come on now, but let me do a second gear pull to 100.
Y'all ready, fellas? We out of here. Like,
yeah, for real, man. For real.
On a count of 3.
So guys, right now what we're doing is I am not rerouting, but I'm more or less adjusting my oil drain, because it was when I would do a pull, it would smoke, and that would typically mean that my drain is not draining correctly because oil is like sitting in a line. So I'm basically because right now it was kind of sitting down. It was kind of like that. So oil was probably like sitting right here. It wasn't draining properly. So I angled it up, and now it's really like literally going at an angle. So not too much. Because and the only reason why it's over here is because over here we're able to put it, but they have the sandwich plate, we're going to call it, for the oil filter. And whoever made this, well, I know who made it, Z1. The freaking oil pan spacer has the line right over here, so you can't even put anything right there. It's literally pointless. It's like right in the way of the sandwich plate. So I had to put the oil drain over here. And if you have a boosted Z, or if you have an oil pan spacer, because you don't need an oil, or you don't need to be boosted to have an oil pan spacer. If you have an oil pan spacer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Well, technically,
Not really.
no, yeah, because obviously if you have an oil pan spacer but you're not boosted, then you wouldn't need this. So yeah, if you're boosted with an oil pan spacer, then you should know what I'm talking about. Oh, there we go. I knew I was strong.
This guy, bruh.
I love this thing, a billet Nismo cap.
Let me see.
I love that.
Appreciate that.
There you go. You see that?
What?
See how dirty that is?
Yeah, that thing is black, and smell it too.
That's funny. It actually smells like E85.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like E85. It just smells like power.
Yeah, alright.
Make sure I don't see no oil. Or no oil. No, oh, chill. Flash on my face. Yeah, I don't see any
Debris.
shavings. Yeah, you can see shininess. The cool thing about this car is you can do both of it at the same time. So like the oil drains right here, and you could literally just take out the filter at the same time. And it's not messy. It's just gonna drop down, you know. You know, there's only one. I can only get a mobile one filter.
Why?
Because I don't know. I don't think they're all the same size. But mobile one is stubby, and it's the only one that's gonna fit in this. Because this barely fits because of my oil cooler.
Yeah, it sticks out. And
Yeah, all the lines and stuff, and it's sandwich plate. So this is the only one that fits.
Dang.
Yeah. So I always have to get a mobile one. And I don't know if they're the same size. I don't think they are. I think Fram is bigger. I could be wrong though.
Dang, that's crazy.
I just don't want all of it. I don't want no oil on my ground, yo. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Everything looks pretty good underneath here. Again, this is a brand new oil pan because I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple months ago before we moved to SoCal, we had to replace this because we hit something on the road and it dented it. So this looks good. Our sandwich plate for our oil cooler looks good. Everything looks good. I just had to wipe some stuff underneath here. So yeah, everything looks good. I went ahead and checked all my V-bands. That looks good. You guys know that pipe's so messed up. We got to get that replaced eventually. But all the V-bands are good. Oil's good. Filter's good. Everything looks good. So let's go ahead and put everything back together and let's take this car on a test drive. We fixed our oil drain, so I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it, but I now have it coming at an angle. Before it was kind of slouched down. I think it was like zip tied down here. I don't know why I did that, but it's coming at an angle. So I don't know how well you will be able to see it, but the line is actually right here. So it comes from the turbo, comes at an angle all the way over here, and then it goes into the oil pan spacer right here. And like I was saying earlier, how you couldn't put it on this side, it's because of this thing right here, because it technically goes right here. You guys can see it. It's supposed to go right there, but this thing's in the way, so I can't put anything right here. Else it would have been perfect for me to just drop it from up there down here, but it's all good. So we just got to do it what we got. Take a low.
Super low, it looks like.
Yeah, take a low. Should I wait?
Wait a few seconds.
Wait a few seconds?
Yeah, maybe a few seconds. But I would say you should add maybe some.
Well, I'd rather wait because I don't want to add too much. Because
well, you do have that pan, that spacer though too, you know.
Well, that's the thing though. But if say I overdo it, I'm not gonna take all that off again.
Yeah.
Just to drain it.
Yeah.
That's another hour. No, it's not done. No.
Yeah.
So,
maybe give it like 2 minutes.
Yeah,
2 to 5 minutes.
Yeah. Can I get a
What is he doing, bro? Come on. What is he doing?
Yeah. Come on.
No way, bro. No way.
Alright, let's see. Hopefully it's not full. If it's full, we're just gonna have to rock it. Alright, good.
Is it low?
Yeah, it's a little low. Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's put some in there. See where it's at. See? I'm just glad I'm able to see it.
Yeah. I'm worried about to spill it.
Okay, that's enough.
Yo!
This was so weird. You got issues, bro.
Yo, bro, dude.
First time driving on the new clock spring, and the steering wheel feels, well, not on the new clock spring, but with the new clock spring, I should say. And the steering feels way better, yo. It feels how it should. We still have that squeaking, so I think what it is I think the hub is actually hitting, or it's like rubbing against the, what would you say, maybe the shroud or whatever it's called, whatever's behind the hub. I think that's what it's rubbing on. It's causing that little squeaky noise. But other than that, the steering feels way better. Yo, it doesn't feel like creaky. Car feels good. I don't know, I could just be tripping, even though it's been almost a week. And lightweight feels more responsive. Yeah, I know I'm not tripping. Heck no. Yeah, it definitely feels more responsive. That's crazy. That Camry right there gave me a compliment, but he said it in Spanish. I just said thank you. I mean, I don't really know what to say, but yeah, it's just crazy how much compliments this car gets, man. I'm just glad that everybody else can like appreciate, like, I don't know, just how cool this car is, I guess. Makes me feel good. All right, let's go ahead and put it in high boost. Press cancel, 1 up. All right, yo, it's been so long since we've been in high boost in this car. Woo! Yo, 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 yo. Wow. That gave me butterflies, I'm not gonna lie. Yo. Oh. Y'all, I totally forgot how quick this car is on high boost. That's crazy. Wow, yeah, that genuinely gave me butterflies. That was crazy.
Hey, how much you pushing?
I felt like 600 to the wheel. Roughly, yeah.
Bro, hey, it's clean as fuck.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you.
Hey, soon I'll be up there too.
Yeah, hey man, as long keep pushing, keep pushing. You'll be there.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Appreciate that, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna record you.
Okay. Yes, sir. I need to show you guys how good this car sounds, so we're gonna give you a little revs. Even though you guys probably heard it enough, but tonight is different. Let's do it. I know this car sounds crazy. Lord.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.